Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about coding. So first is HTML. HTML is a computer language that structures all the web pages on the internet. HTML code tells web browsers how to display content like image, link, and text on a web page. And the full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. So, first question is which computer language structures all web pages on the internet? So, answer is HTML. Which one of these HTML tags create a button? So third number option is right answer. Add a button tag to your code. Button is an opening tag. It tells the web browser we want to start display a button. We want to display button, so we code that. What do you think comes after the opening tag button? After opening tag button, the closing tag button. Tap the code snipes to code the button's closing tag. So, what do you think the code displays on a website? I am ready to code. First is right answer. Code the closing tag. Code a button that displays send. Add friend. Code a button that displays comment. So our discussions about coding is completed. So next question is which one of these HTML tags create a paragraph? So second number option is right answer. Code a button that displays post. Code a paragraph that displays memo is fun. This is wrong answer. Right answer is first P followed by memo is fun and finally P. Code hello in between the opening and closing P tags. Which one of these HTML tags create a heading? So third number option is right answer. Code a heading that displays Snapchat. Add the closing tag. Which one of these HTML tags create a smaller heading than H1? H6. Code a heading with opening and closing H6 tags. Code the opening tag for the biggest heading. Code the opening tag for the second biggest heading. Which one of these HTML tags create the smallest heading?